such a wonderful, wonderful promo. We're really excited for the film. But I have to ask both of you, what was it about the script that made you say yes? Because, we've seen so many sports dramas, we've seen so many sports biopics. What sets this apart?
Well, I've been a big fan of, Lobster, be his films or be his writing. And when he called me about this film and he said, I'm applying to produce this film, I'm writing it. So I was pretty excited. And when he narrated me the whole story, and I was kicked about it. I was I felt very connected to this world because I'm familiar with this world. And it's a great character. I've never seen PT teacher stories in a cinema for a while now, or I don't think so. Actually, I don't remember.
I don't think there is a film on a PT teacher at all.
Yeah, and it was set in Haryana, which is my home ground. And then Hansal sir came on board, so I think it was just.
Right, absolutely. I mean, this is your 5th film with Hansal Mehta, and the fact that City Lights, Shahid, Aligarh was so different from something like this. What was it like working with him on this set?
It was not different actually. The only difference would be that those are really mentally taxing characters. But right. This was mostly about having fun, and being funny and still being real. Just reacting to the situation, and the comedy was always there in the writing. So we just had to be sincere and we just had to be honest with the writing material, and that's what we do with all our films. We make all our films with utmost sincerity, be it a drama or be it a entertaining comedy.
Right, absolutely. Nusrat, what about you? What really drew you or excited you about Chhalang?
Yeah, this film has a very underlining, strong sort of feel. It kind of makes you get up from your seat and do something, whatever that something is for you. It gives you that zest and that push ki utke kuch karo.
Raj, I have to ask you this. You've played a simpleton before in Bareilly Ki Barfi, in Stree, and now this, of course. But every time you bring a certain nuance to the character. Where is it that you perhaps get your inspiration or those small characteristics for all your characters?
Well, I think it's my job as an actor to try and play different characters, no matter if they come from the same heartland also. So I think I just try and do that. I don't want to play similar character in all my films. It becomes very monotonous for me. It's not exciting then. It's just playing the same part throughout the year. So I try and bring in something different. Sometimes organically, sometimes I had to force it to bring it to that character. But mostly it's the writing. I think it's the writing which guides you, which takes you to a different world. And that's what I do.
You have an amazing supporting cast in Chhalang, right from, Zishan to Satish Kaushik, to all of them, such powerful performers. It must have been an absolute ball on sets to just react to one another.
Absolutely. I think they're all such fine talents. Satish ji and Saurabh ji, these two, of course.
Ila
Ila, yes, and then Zishan, who's got such an amazing part in this film. We were just lucky, I think, to have this cast together because, when you have great actors on sets, of course, it helps your performance and then it helps the film as well, because they bring in their own elements to the character and they make the film way more better than what it could have been otherwise. So it's always fun to work with good co-actors. They enhance your performance as well.
Right, absolutely. And Raj, it's so interesting that your film is releasing around Diwali and so is Ludo. Who would have thought, two films releasing around the same time? It's an exciting time to be in.
I think, now I can't do anything about it. It's coming, so it's coming. I'm just happy that, I got a chance to be a part of these two films. I'm very, very happy the way they have shaped up. And I've been a big fan of Dada. He knows it. I love him a lot. And yeah, Ludo's getting also getting great response, and so is Chhalang.
Yeah. Right,
so Chhalang is also getting great response. So I think it's going to be a happy Diwali for us.
I was reading a couple of articles and a couple of your interviews where you've also said that this film, you want to send out the message of sports and the importance of physical training for children, perhaps to leave their tablets and their mobile phones and just go out there and be themselves, which we were lucky. We grew up like that.
The effort is there. We are trying to convey that message as well. But it's not only about that. And it's not like a direct message, you should go out and play. Nobody's saying that. It's
Yes.
through the story, it's through the character's graph that we realize that, how physical education or physical training is important as well, along with their, studies. So I hope, students out there, parents out there, they watch this film and they realize that, it's not only about being with your phone or on your video games. You actually have to physically go out and play, and then it teaches you a lot of discipline. It teaches you about teamwork. It teaches you about, being finding your peers.
And also, even if you're not good at it, I think there's another message there as well, that it's not like you have to be a great sports person or you're very good at this sport or you really got the knack for that. It's not about that. It's about enjoying it. It's about
Yeah.
putting yourself out there and learning a way to hit that shot or hit that goal or go touch that line in kabaddi. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
तो वो भी
Right.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है टू टेल द पीपल जिनको लगता है कि नहीं मैं तो नहीं कर सकता मैं तो नहीं
Yeah.
कर सकता उनको भी उठा के लेके जाओ और डालो वहां इट्स लाइक दैट
Absolutely. Well, on that note, it looks like a very exciting film. We're really looking forward to it.
Thank you so
And
much.
all the best to both of you for the film and your future endeavors. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you
See
so
you.
much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.